Afternoon, everybody. It's Clay here at Mallard Motors. I got a new one I'm going to show y'all, but before I get started, I wanted to remind everyone about the referral program we have. If you send us a customer, let us know ahead of time before the sale, and they purchase a vehicle greater than $4,000, we'll give you $200 just for sending them to us. So keep that in mind, and let me show you our second 2020 vehicle. We just got it in last night. It's a Toyota Corolla LE, excuse me. Pretty bright white color. It's going to be great on gas mileage. Gets over 40 on the highway. I think it's got about 37,000 miles on it. Nice clear LED headlights. Got some great tread left on the tires. This is the new body style, so it looks a little sportier than the models from the years before. Oh man, I left the key inside. Y'all come with me real quick. Tons of trunk space back there. And this is a Carfax one-owner vehicle. Keyless entry, of course. Cloth interior, still looks pretty much brand new. Still smells kind of new in here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors on the side there. Let's crank it up. It's got 37,000 miles on it. No check engine lights or anything like that. Got your cruise control on the steering wheel. Hold on, let me turn this air down. Got your cruise control on the steering wheel. Got control for your parking sensors. You got a alert that will come on if you start to leave the lane. Got controls for the radio on there and hands-free calling. Got a nice cool touchscreen media center right here. Backup camera built in. Got an electronic parking brake. If you're interested in this ride, I'd be happy to talk to you about pricing or financing options. My name is Clay. You can reach me down here at Mallard at 870-639-9200. Thank y'all.